Flowers calling on these overseas. And
It's a very cozy evening here. I'm actually in my terrace again. I'm here almost every day in my terrace for a walk and to just enjoy nature. So yeah, I'm back here again. But I'll take you through the whole day. I have quite a lot of stuff to do. I hope you enjoy the view. It's cloudy. There's also sun falling on my face. It's just beautiful. Nature is beautiful. So yeah, without any further ado, I will taking you through the whole day. Hope you enjoy this video as I'm enjoying nature for a while. The perfumes that I bought from this website was God versus Asura. It sounded unique, so
Yeah, great weather. They're terrific hurricanes. Make sure you bring plenty of plywood and bottled water.
Hey, hello. I was just driving down the street and saw you. I thought I'd stop by and say, hey, hi. Hello, Mrs. Townsend. Hello, dear. So what's going on?
Nothing's going on.
like that.